Gurudeva e-learning class. My dear students, as you know already, we were discussing about the third lesson, right? So in the previous class, you learned about the some community helpers, right? So in today's class, we are going to do the textbook activity. So please open your textbook on page number 166 because of now we are going to do the textbook activity. Okay, and be ready with your pencil and also textbook, my dear. Have you opened the textbook, my dear? Okay, let's start the textbook activity. My dear students, have you opened the textbook? Okay, let's check the mains. What did you learn? The first main is imagine mom has given you this shopping list. From whom will you buy the following things? It means, my dear, here mother is given the shopping list to us. So that's why we have to purchase all the things which are in the shopping list. So that's why where will you go to buy all the things, my dear? Yes, you are absolutely right. We have to go market, right? So in the market, you want to purchase the things which are in shopping list. It means which shop you are going, who will sells you, that we have to write down here. Okay, so let's check the first thing, that is flowers. Okay, then tell me, you want to purchase the flowers. It means which shop are you going? Yes, you are right. We are going to the flower shop, right? Who will sell the flowers to us, my dear? Yes, you are absolutely right. Florist, right? So, florist sells the flower to us. We have to write the answer in the given space. Okay. Have you write the answer, my dear? Okay. Which is the second thing we have to buy in the shopping list? Yes, you are right. Vegetables, right? Who will sell the vegetables to us, my dear? Yes, you are absolutely right. Greengrocer sells the fresh vegetables which is keep us healthy, right? So, what is the answer here? Yes, you are right. We have to write greengrocer. Okay. Have you write the answer, my dear? Okay. Which is the third thing in the shopping list? Yes, you are absolutely right. Fruits, right? So, who will sells the fruits for us? What do we call that person? Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. Fruit seller sells the fresh fruit for us, right? Okay, you can write the answer in the given space. Okay. My dear students, have you write the answer fruit seller in the given space? Okay. So, the next things are bread and sweets. Okay, who will sells the bread and who make the sweet? About that you can write in your textbook. Okay, this too you can do in your home itself. This is your homework, my dear. Shall we check the next main? Yes. Okay, my dear students, let's check the second main. This is what I do for you. Guess who am I and solve crossword. My dear students, we have to solve this puzzle box by the help of the given clues. Okay, with the help of the given clues we have to solve the puzzle box, my dear. So here downward they given the sum statement, in the across also they given the sum statements. Okay, the first statement is I sell fresh vegetables and keep you healthy. Who sells the fresh vegetables for us, my dear? What do we call that person? Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. Greengrocer, right? So that greengrocer word we have to fill in the given space. That the box are arranged in the vertical way, my dear. Okay, so how I am filling the answer in given space, like that you can fill in your textbook. My dear students, have you filled the answer in the given box? Yes, very good. How I fill the letters in the given box, like that you can write it. Okay, shall we check the second clue? What is the second clue, my dear? Yes, I ring your school bell. Who rings the bell at the school? What do we call that person? Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. Your answer is also right. P1 rings the bell at the school, isn't it? So we have to write the answer P1 in the given space. Shall we write the answer? Okay, my dear students, I hope you fill the answer in a correct given boxes. Okay, so what is the third statement, my dear? The third statement they given in the across. Across it means horizontal. Okay, I help you travel on road. Okay, my dear students, then tell me who will help us to travel and reach one place to another? Yes, you are right. Driver is help us to reach one place to another place by traveling on a vehicles, right? So, we have to write the answer here in the horizontal given boxes. We have to fill the answer. The answer is driver. You can fill the spellings, okay? My dear students, have you write the answer driver like this? Okay. So let's check the fourth statement, my dear. That is also in the across. Okay. I help you to cross the river. Here on the water, which vehicles are traveling? Yes, you are right. Boat and ship. Isn't it? So, who sails the boat and ship on the water? What do we call that person, my dear? Yes, you are right. The sailor sails the boat and ship on the water, right? So he helps to cross the river, and we have to reach the other place by crossing a water or a river or a ocean, sea. It means the sailor will help us. Okay. So the answer is sailor. We have to write the answer sailor here. Okay. Have you read the answer, my dear? What is the fifth clue? Have you read the clue, my dear? No? Okay, I will read you. I bake bread and cookies for you. Who bakes the bread, biscuit, cookies, my dear? What do we call that person? Are you go to imagine? Okay, very good. Fine here. So, who bakes the bread and cookies for us? Yes, you are right, my dear. Baker bakes the bread and cookies for us, right? So, you can write the baker answer. You can fill here. Okay. Okay, my dear students. I hope you completed this second main by filling the answer in the given puzzle box. Okay. So, like that you can fill in your textbook, my dear. Okay. So, my dear, let's check the workstation on your textbook. Okay, my dear students, in your textbook, there is one workstation is there. What they given the workstation, what work we have to do, it means be thankful. Make a thank you card for the people around you who help you and make your life better. Give them this lovely card and tell them that they mean a lot to you. It means, my dear, we have to make the thank you card. Okay. So, that card you can give as a gift to which is your favorite community helper. Okay. Because of already you knew community helpers they are day and night working for our happiness and our best health. Right. So, for example, doctor, nurse, police, so many people are in this pandemic situation, they are working day and night, isn't it? So, because of they want to protect us from the coronavirus. So, we have to feel proud and we have to say thank you because of they keep their life in danger and they are working and they are protecting from the coronavirus, right? So that's why you can make a thank you card and you can gift that card who is the community helpers are there in your surrounding. Okay. So this activity you can do in your home itself, my dear. Okay, my dear. I hope you completed the textbook activity and I hope you are making this thank you card and you are going to give as a gift to community helpers which make your life better. Okay. And my dear, we will meet in the next class with a new chapter. Until keep reading, keep practice all the interesting words and all the definition of the community helpers. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.